Hey guys, Eugene here with Precision Turbo, and we are at the 2025 PRI show showcasing our new lineup of factory upgrade turbochargers. So today I want to highlight the Volkswagen MK7 turbocharger lineup, where we have two turbocharger options for that. It's important to clarify, application-wise, this will fit any IS20 IS38 turbocharger applications. For the stage one, we're having a factory-style compressor cover. The compressor wheel is a 50mm next-gen technology aerodynamics that will give you around 550 horsepower. As you can see, this is a factory-style compressor cover, so you will be able to fit your factory turbocharger inlet and your intercooler charge pipe. Moving into the center housing, we have OEM basically style ball bearing center housing, center section. So you will be able to fit your water lines, inlet and outlet, and also your oil lines, inlet and outlet. Now, let's talk about the turbine housing. So this is an invest cast stainless steel with an OEM style flange that you will be able to bolt it right up. And then of course you will be able to bolt your factory downpipe or aftermarket downpipe that you wanted to install. So again, for stage one, we're 550 horsepower, 50mm compressor wheel, next-gen technology. And now let's move to the stage two. Now for the stage two, we're going to be having the same turbine housing, invest cast stainless steel, the same center water-cooled ball bearing center housing, center section, but now the big difference is right here in the compressor. So this casting is different. Of course, you will have a way bigger inlet. We're talking about a 56mm next-gen compressor wheel, capable of putting around 650 horsepower. We have tested the unit, and we have put down 643 to the wheels on the 85. Now, the compressor outlet and compressor inlet, as you can tell, will require some aftermarket hose. It won't bolt right on like the stock style Gen 1 stage 1, but still it's not really a very complicated modification that any of you guys who want to put over 600 horsepower can do. Hey guys, we talked already about stage 1 and stage 2 on the bolt-on turbocharger for the Volkswagen. I wanted to showcase and show you guys how this stage 1 will look on your basically on your factory application. So here you can see the flange of our invest stainless steel housing bolted right to the OEM head. Here you can see it. In this case, we have some JDY aftermarket bolt-ons, but still they will fit exactly like factory. Okay, so you will see the downpipe installed. Here you can see how the turbo inlet bolts right up on the stage 1 compressor cover. Remember, this is stage 1 turbo. You can see the blow-off valve right here. And then right here you can see the Westgate installed, and then kind of like a lower view of how this would mount on your engine. Remember that the factory Westgate is not included, okay? The blow-off valve does, okay? And then also here you can see our water-cooled ball bearing center housing, oil inlet, of course, the outlet, and then this will be the inlet for your water-cooled lines, and this will be the outlet for your water-cooled lines. If you guys have any questions about any of these turbochargers or our entire factory upgrade lineup, give us a call, visit our website, precisionturbo.com, or follow us on social media and send us a DM. Thank you guys.